Guys, today is something very easy, cool, albacio, like always, and summer, you know? I don't feel like cooking, stuff like this. It's very, very nice lunch, very, very healthy, and easy to cook and super taste. The way we're gonna make. This, I wanna make this salmon carpaccio with some fruit, some like that. The salmon is up to you. I bought this in supermarket. This is the wild smoked salmon. Okay, super easy. Take your time. We take the slice and we're gonna put around the plate, okay? Without any perfect stuff, no? We doing just for the family, you know? We are not master chef, but we always do cool stuff for the family. Always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, or check our website cookingwithanitalia.com. What we're gonna do? A little touch of salt, how much you like, pepper, guys, this is look so easy. It is, and the taste is very nice. And this, if you prepare even a couple hours before, is even better. Lemon juice in, a little touch the olive oil, the good one. Okay. I have the lemon bit. I'm gonna use some melon. I love melon. Cut quite thin. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's beautiful, guys. A melon, salmon, and cherries. My opinion, working very, very good. Of course, if you like, a couple cherries, not many. Well, look at that. I love it. Delicious. Some Parmesan, how much you like, of course. Dry oregano. If you like, you can add some chili, fresh chili flakes, yeah. And later, guys, here you can put basically what you like. Fantastic, guys. I just I want to say to you, the job is done. This is my salmon carpaccio with fruit. Is this? Look at it. Absolutely stunning. Huh? How long? 5 minutes? Guys, unbelievable. Anyway, guys, this is my fruity salmon carpaccio. I don't know whether is the grammar correct. Absolutely delicious albacio. And always, guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.